Isaac, good morning.
We'll go this way and I'll show you the deer tracks, Bona. These are big man tracks. So we're off to change the SD card in the trail cam. We're all dressed up. It's a bit cool. Quite a bit of snowfall. And you can see there's a whole whack of deer here.
It's nice to follow the during snow time so we can see where they're going.
Maybe we'll put the trail cam down there the next time, Bona. This is a major trail here.
Hey, look, it's so pretty.
$5. Stop it, Buena. Putting snow on me.
Come on, walk.
So I was down here already this morning. You can see the tracks, but pretty nice down here. Coyote. Rabbit. Deer. Yeah, one's she's trying to scare me, trying to sneak up on me, but when there's this much snowfall, it's kind of hard to be quiet. So we'll see where this brings us. Stand by. More coyote tracks. I'm assuming the coyote. Well, it's just a dog down here somewhere, but big ass track. Here's my glove. So that's pretty big. Big animal. And Gwen's deserted me. Who knows where she went? Stand by.